So this machine can shoot 4 different sizes, 2-inch being the biggest. If you want to switch, you can put in your 1.5 dies, shoot an 1.5-inch pipe. I don't have an 1.25 inch, but I do have a 1-inch here. You can put in your 1-inch dies, and there you can put a 1-inch pipe across. So today I elected to use 1.5 inch. This is just steel black iron pipe you can buy from your local hardware store. You can use galvanized if you like. So the excavation, you want to get that fairly accurate. So I got that just about level. That's going to dictate my shot going into this entry pit over here, which I might have to dig a little deeper. Back. Perfect. All right, thanks, Gabe.
Yep.
So I'm going to test the soil. So it's fairly hard. I would guess that's right about 27 blow counts. So this is no easy task on this one. It'll be a good test. Wedge blocks that I made just to kind of keep this thing straight. think I can just do hand tight. I don't see any reason why it needs to be tight. So what I'm doing with it. About 2 inches deeper, not bad for a first shot. Okay, so we've successfully put 1.5 inch steel across this span here, and I'm going to be running a sprinkler, so a sprinkler pipe, so I could easily just shove something through that chase. But let's say you want an electrical conduit. Now there's 2 ways to do that. I could turn the machine around and I could pull my rods back out, and I could tether onto a piece of PVC, pull that in. I can even expand that. I could put a bell reducer on there, and then hook up, let's say, a 2.5 or a 3 inch pipe perhaps, and then pull that back. But and then there's another way of doing it too, which I'm going to try right now. What it is, it's just a Schedule 80 plastic with Schedule 40 couplings. What I'm going to attempt to do is just push this steel out, replacing it and unscrewing it at that end, and just replacing the steel with 1.5 inch plastic. We'll see how that goes. You get the picture. I don't think I'm going to bother gluing these, but you could if you wanted. Okay, as you can see, I did this whole job by myself with the exception of having Gabriel help me put this in the trench. This machine does come with a 4-point harness. I'm going to go ahead and hook that up and pull it out just to demonstrate how one person can do this job. This device is not made to do long range stuff, obviously. There is some guys that are shooting 50-foot shots. I guess that's how good you are, I don't know, to get that in. But I developed it to cross driveways and sidewalks, anywhere where you have short range, 35 feet or less, is what I was kind of thinking when I designed it. And the reason I designed such a tool like this is for a contractor, whether you're an electrician, landscaper, plumber, whatever, there's always a need to cross sidewalks and driveways and paths and such. But it's too expensive to get a directional drilling company out there, so the contractor is kind of left without any type of subcontractor help. It's a tool that you could just own and throw in the back of your van or your truck. And whenever you have a situation like that, you don't have to make a call and rely on somebody else. You could just get it done. I have it hooked up to a little excavator. Most landscapers or contractors have a skid steer or an excavator of some sort. It will work off of a power pack as well. So here's the chain harness. It comes with this.